If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The data verification utility in Sage 50 is used to verify if any Sage 50 data files are missing or corrupted. You should only run the data verification utility on the advice of a Sage 50 customer support specialist. You should also always back up your data before running the data verification utility. This is because if the process doesn't complete successfully or locks up during the test, you could lose your data. If instructed to run the data verification utility in Sage 50 Accounting on the advice of a Sage 50 customer support representative, open the company file and then select File, Data Verification from the menu bar to open the Data Verification dialog box. Select the option button for the test or tests to run. You can run the Data Reliability Test, which checks for errors and repairs them if possible. You can also run the Data Access Test, which checks the computer's ability to read and write data files. You can also run both tests if needed. After making your selection, click the Start button to begin the tests. At that point, after making a backup, the verification progress window opens and shows you the real-time test progress. It is recommended that you do not cancel this test until it is finished. If Sage 50 encounters any errors, it will try to fix them. If it cannot, it displays a message that tells you what to do next. After the tests successfully finish, a window appears to tell you the tests are complete. You can view the data verification error log from within this window if needed. You can then close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.